Welcome to our tutorial on creating a new campaign. You can start from your dashboard or the My Campaigns page. Just click Create New Campaign. A pop-up will ask you to choose a source. This is the social media page you want us to monitor. You can choose Facebook feed and Reels, or Instagram feed and Reels, or Instagram stories. On the first page, pick your content source, Facebook page or Instagram account, based on the source you chose. Next, select your ad account. This is the account that pays for your ads. Now, choose your campaign objective. There are 6 options: awareness, engagement, traffic, leads, sales, and app promotion. Each one gives different results, so choose the one that fits your goal. You can also choose to optimize your budget across all ad sets in the campaign. You can set this as a daily or lifetime limit. If you don't set a budget here, you will set it later for each individual ad set. If you are running ads about, for example, politics or social issues, select the correct special ad category and country. Click Next to reach the ad set page. You can import an old setup or start from scratch. There are 3 main parts here. First, targeting. Choose a saved audience or enter your details manually. You can target by location, age, language, and interests. For exact targeting, drop a pin on the map and set a specific radius. You can also include or exclude specific groups. Second, budget and schedule. Set your daily or lifetime budget and your start and end dates. Choose your optimization goal and bid strategy. If available, you can also choose the billing event to decide exactly what you will be billed for. If you want to track results, set up your Facebook pixel or app events here. You can also add UTM codes to track your links. Third, placement. You can let Facebook choose the best spots for your ads with automatic placements, or pick them yourself. This is also where you add your CTA, call to action button, and website link. Click Next to reach the automation page. You can use Smart Boosting to promote your best performing posts automatically, or use custom settings to set your own rules. Choose post types for advertising. You can set start conditions based on organic reach. For example, if you set it to 5 unique users, Boosterberg will wait until your post hits reach 5 before turning it into an ad. You can also filter by keywords. If a post description doesn't have your chosen keyword, usually hashtag, it won't be boosted. To boost older posts, turn off the option Advertise Only Posts Published within Ad Set Schedule. The system will then check your last 30 posts to see if they meet your conditions. Stop conditions work the same way, but tell the system when to stop the ad. Click Next to see your summary. Double-check everything. By default, we will email the campaign advertiser if there is an error or if Facebook rejects an ad. You can manage it here and change it to any team members, or turn it off. Click Publish and you're live. After that, you will be taken to the campaign details page. Here you can see your stats, insights, conditions, and ad sets. To rename campaign, click the campaign name. To view in Meta, click the campaign ID. Click the 3 dots to duplicate, delete, or view logs. The logs are very helpful. They show you a history of events, errors, and exactly which posts were boosted and why. At both the campaign and ad set level, you will find an activation switch. Simply click it if you need to pause or resume your ads. You can also edit your default boosting conditions or add new ad sets by clicking the Create New Ad Set button. On the My Campaigns list, you can see all your work for both Facebook and Instagram. Use the search bar or filters to find campaigns by ID, name, or date.